So what was your purpose of coming here, though? You know, to get clothes?
Yeah, I was coming to shop.
Okay. But you essentially had no way to pay for it, though?
Yeah, I mean, I had ways to pay for it in my car.
Okay. All right. You want to hop out right here real quick?
Yes.
Go ahead and face the car here for me.
On May 3rd, 2024, officers responded to a Kohls department store for a retail theft in progress. This case presents critical constitutional issues regarding Miranda, warnings, search and seizure doctrines, and the legal distinction between retail theft and burglary.
If she doesn't have cash on her, I've already confirmed the state's attorney they'll charge burglary.
Okay.
So if we do want to just go in and get it done with, and then find that she has no cash on her, we're still good to take her.
Is the suitcase hers, or was it?
Nope, she's grabbing it from the store. And it looks like she's going to fill it up. So we can do, since she can't see, I can walk into the LP office, watch cameras with him and update, or we can go in now. Doesn't matter.
Let's just update if you want to do that. If you want to go in and look at the cameras.
I'll go in there. I'll be right back.
Okay. Go ahead, 781. She's here.
Oh, shit.
Put your arms behind your back. Put your arms behind your back. Yeah, you can drop it.
Alright, I got it.
Oh, goodness.
Got your ID in here?
No, I don't have
Robbie ID, what's your name?
Taser.
Deja what?
More.
Deja Moore.
Yeah.
You know why you're being stopped, I know.
Yeah.
We'll take you over this way and I'll talk with you, okay?
Okay.
You guys mind grabbing pictures of that and then a receipt, please? Go and have a seat in here, dude.
Is there any way that you can make a phone call?
Okay, give me 1 second, okay? What was your intention of coming here today?
I was just getting some clothes for me and my kids.
Okay. Did you intend to steal it? Yeah. Okay. Do you have any like credit cards or money or anything on you?
No, I don't.
No? Nothing in your car?
No, I have a bank card in my car.
Okay. But essentially no money to pay for the merchandise, though, is what I'm trying to get. No methods of payment on your person to pay for the merchandise.
You talking about on my personal body?
Mm-hmm.
No, it was in my car.
Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. You came here today to steal that, is that right?
No, I came here to pick somebody up, and when they wasn't here, then I just swung by the store.
Okay.
Something stupid I shouldn't have
Okay. So what was your purpose of coming here, though? You know, to get clothes?
done. Yeah, I was coming to shop.
Okay. But you essentially had no way to pay for it, though?
Yeah, I mean, I had ways to pay for it in my car.
Okay. All right. You want to hop out right here real quick?
Yes.
Go ahead and face the car here for me.
Yes.
Yeah. Proceed, go ahead. Tell me like it. So there was merchandise stuffed into the suitcase, is that right?
Yeah, yeah. It's 22 something. It's 19 after sales, but they don't do sales, so it's 22.
And that purse wasn't hers either?
It is. It's not here, so technically it's her
brand
decoy
new.
purse. I'm sure she stole it from somewhere else.
Brand new purse.
Yeah, 100%.
She's gonna go for burglary and felony retail theft for sure. So.
And I don't know if McDonald's told you, I'll take it if you want. I don't mind taking it.
Yeah.
I always offer when it's here.
If you just don't like, it looks like you're uploading the pictures now.
Yeah, so I'm gonna upload pictures. I'm sending him the community invite to send it. Do you know?
The video.
I just fill this out with his information, right? It's
Yeah.
a community member,
Yeah.
and you send it. And
Yeah. And then if you get it, there's a way that you can share it with me, but I don't know how to do that.
Oh,
so that way I can just look at it and put it in and do everything. So.
Oh, that's massive.
Cool.
And then, do you want me to write us up for this part?
No, I'll just document that there was merchandise found inside the suitcase. It was $2,000 some
She
worth.
tell you they're gonna try and flip her.
Yeah.
I'll see how it goes. I'll be interested.
She's from Indiana, so I've never done that. So McDonald's is talking to her now. But,
Nice.
yeah.
All right. Anything else you need me to do?
Nope. What's going on?
Great. Like, pretty much everything in this car is probably stolen.
What all you see in this bag? What else?
Yeah,
Oh, she got a lot of stuff
yeah,
from
all
Lowe's.
this stuff, it's all in Lowe's bags, but none of it is from the Lowe's store. So got this, which is the MO of concealing another bag. Both of these are, I don't know where the lunchbox is from.
What's, oh, those are from TJ Maxx?
Yeah.
Guessing that. That is probably from TJ Maxx as well.
Yeah. And it's
You
all,
found stuff in here?
Yeah, that's where all of it was.
All this?
Pretty much all of it. It's,
I don't know where she got this from.
yeah, I don't know, because, like, that's all makeup. So, again, not from Lowe's. That's all, that's TJ Maxx, I think. Or no, there's some stuff from Meyer, too. I'm not sure where that came from. I don't think it says on there. I think, is Dickies a Walmart brand, though?
I'm not sure.
I think that stuff is all from Meyer.
This stuff?
Yeah, remember that makeup store in the mall?
Okay.
Oh, there's this gold. Who knows where the heck this is from? But like, even in the glove box. It's like full of these things.
Right.
But here's all of her extra Lowe's bags.
Is that her phone right there?
I haven't
Guessing.
touched the phone. There's another phone in this bag here.
Okay.
This looks like it's actually her belongings.
Right.
So I don't know. I don't know if she like keeps this in her purse,
Right.
so that way she can just pull it out quick before she goes into the store. So she doesn't have any ID on it or something.
Let me call Meyer real quick.
Okay. What is the name of that makeup place in the mall? I don't even remember.
You think we should just seize everything that's in there that looks like stolen merchandise? Because a lot of that stuff is. Seems like it. There's like, hey, is this Matthew? Hey, it's Officer LaRue Champagne. We're out with a lady over here at Kohls. I don't know if you guys had anything over there where a black female wearing like some blue, purple scrubs came in and stole anything today.
First Amendment issue, burglary enhancement. When a suspect enters a commercial establishment with preformed intent to commit theft while lacking any means of payment, this can elevate charges from retail theft to burglary. The prosecution must prove unlawful entry with criminal intent formed before entry. The absence of cash, credit cards, or any payment method on the suspect's person provides strong inferential evidence of preformed criminal intent. Critical Fifth Amendment violation. Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, established that custodial interrogation requires advisement of rights. Custody exists when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. Interrogation includes words or actions reasonably likely to elicit incriminating responses per Rhode Island versus Innis, 446 U.S. 291. Search incident to arrest. United States versus Robinson, 414 U.S. 218, authorizes full search of arrestee's person for officer safety and evidence preservation. The pat-down search here was constitutionally sound.
Well, yeah, yes, I think so. We do, and she's gonna go to jail today for stealing from Kohls. And we were just calling you guys because it looks like there's some more stolen merchandise in her vehicle. Natasha, there's a lot of other stolen merchandise in your vehicle. Where'd you get that from?
That's not stolen. That's not stolen. That stuff been in my vehicle. It's not stolen.
Where did you get that from?
That came from the store at home. That stuff is old. That stuff, none of that stuff is stolen.
Well, I've already been in contact with Meyer.
I didn't get nothing out of my mind.
Looks like you were there today.
I didn't get nothing out of mine.
You didn't take nothing out of there? So what's the camera footage gonna show?
I didn't take nothing out of mine.
Were you there today?
But I didn't take nothing out of mine.
What other stores were you at today?
That's it. Just Myers, and I went to a gas station. That was it.
Okay. Who's your friend? Who's your friend that you dropped off?
No, I was supposed to pick up a friend.
Or supposed to pick up
his
from
name
where?
is Robert Lee. I was supposed to pick him up from the jury inn. That's the reason I ended up down.
Okay.
And he was already gone once I got here.
Okay. Alrighty. So I would argue that that stuff is stolen in your vehicle. So we're gonna impound your vehicle, okay, and we're seizing all the stuff that's in there. Okay? And then you're gonna go to county for a couple felonies. Alright, so we're gonna get you going here shortly.
Okay.
Legal lesson 1. Miranda applies the moment custody begins, not when formal arrest is announced. Officers must provide warnings before any questions designed to elicit incriminating information about mental state, intent, or criminal conduct. Legal lesson 3. The burglary enhancement doctrine requires careful evidence collection. Prosecutors must establish 1. Entry into premises, 2. Preformed criminal intent at time of entry, 3. Intent to commit felony inside. The combination of selecting unpurchased storage containers, concealing merchandise systematically, and possessing zero payment means creates compelling circumstantial evidence of preformed intent. Practical implications. This case illustrates the cost of constitutional shortcuts. A simple Miranda advisement taking 30 seconds would have secured an admissible confession and guaranteed conviction. The failure to provide warnings jeopardizes an otherwise professionally executed investigation. Even with strong physical evidence, suppression of the confession creates appealable issues and weakens plea bargaining leverage. Professional standard. Miranda has been settled law since 1966. There is no excuse for custodial interrogation without advisement, particularly when questioning directly addresses the intent element of the charged offence. This represents either inadequate training or disregard for constitutional protections, both of which expose departments to civil liability under Section 1983. Final analysis. This case demonstrates that constitutional compliance and effective law enforcement are not competing interests. Proper Miranda advisement would have strengthened rather than weakened this prosecution. The lesson for law enforcement is clear. Constitutional protections are not obstacles to overcome, but rather frameworks that ensure convictions survive appellate review and protect against civil liability.